Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So I forgot to film an intro, so yeah. So here I'm just showing you guys that I got 4 packs of the Faux Locs hair, and I actually got 3 different colors, as you'll see at the end when I'm done. Kind of just wanted it lighter on the bottom and all black on the top. But out of those 4 packs, I used all four packs. As you can see, it's 2 bundles in each pack, and I used all 4 except like 5 pieces, which was good just in case I needed to redo any of them, which I didn't, but I have extra, which is great. Here I am just finishing the last 2 twists, and yeah, that's about it. I'll show the same products that I always use when I twist my hair, or bristle. Of course, you'll see braiding it, and then I start twisting as usual.
To me, it's so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the Baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere whenever we're on the phone, always on the go. Like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheater, do you feel better now that you've broken my trust? Oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah. I believe it's true. You're right. thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you. You're just too much. I'm way too good for you. You're just a bluff. I'm so fed up with you. It's bad enough that I'm way too good for you. You ever believe it's true that you're wrong for someone new? I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true that you're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Ooh.
So after I finished twisting my hair here, it was late, so I wrapped my hair up and went to bed to make sure that my edges would be flat for the next day when I started to install the bow locks.
As someone who is in love,
Twist,
okay,
look,
that loves this woman, I can let her
moisturized.
and I can still slide in the DM of my ex. And that's exactly what it is.
My hair was feeling very dry, so
J plus J plus J.
yeah.
Surprised we ever got this far. We did go throughout the circumstances, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second chances.
Hey guys, and we are back. So I am basically almost done. I just have these two left to do, and so yeah. These have been a little bit of a challenge because they're not super long, and when I stretch my hair out, it's not too far off. So some of these you can see a little bit, but for the most part, they are really cute. So yeah, all right, let's do these last two. Hey guys, so I just wanted to explain a little bit of what I was doing. Right here, I'm putting the crochet needle through my hair and attaching the hair to my crochet needle, and then I'm going to pull the hair through just like that. And then I'm just gonna open the hole at the top a little. That way I can pull my hair and the crochet hair through, and then tighten the loop at the top just like that. And then I'll begin to unravel the lock hair and twist it around my hair all the way down.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side, come on close.
Hey guys, so here you might see me struggling a little bit to hide my hair. Like I said, some of the twists, it was a little harder in places where my hair is long, and the ones in the front are kind of long, so it was just harder to hide the hair. But just keep trying to tuck and twist, if that makes any sense.
Just for a while, stay by my side.
Saw you from the beginning. You were clearly out of my league. You didn't look at where I was standing. I thought that we would never meet, but here we are now, two restless souls lost in a room full of strangers. I wanna wash that sad look from your face, and maybe you can keep me away from dangers. Let's sneak out together, baby, and spend some time, just you and me. I wanna set you free when no one else is there to see. Everybody knows you're a lady, yeah. Baby, yeah. Please, baby. This evening will soon be over, and we'll be back in the roles we play. Always caught in the charades of life, longing for a sweeter day. But this can be our moment. Let's seize it here and now. Let's leave this room full of strangers. Oh, you wash this sad look all I wanna do. Oh, hey, hey. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. Oh, I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. Hey. Never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. Oh.